Yes. Question two. Sorry, my camera here. My camera is not working. I don't know why it cannot show. I'll have to work on it. I just realized when I'm doing my work. This phone is not working. So, question two. As we were told to download the life expectancy from World Health Organization datasheet from Kaggle simulate and model the relationship between life expectancy and socio-economic factors in countries, in different countries. I downloaded the data, which is I saved it. After downloading it, I have exported it to the SPSS through file import. I import a CSV data document, data sheet. So after I bring this one, then I change everything as the way you can see countries. Instead of having strings, I just went to that variable view from here. As you can see on the countries, I change by creating numericals rather than the strings, rather than how they were issued out as in strings, as in names of countries. But now here I say I'll identify each country by a string number, by a numerical number. So that's how I have managed to come with this. Then also there is a status on in the Excel sheet where they have said they mention each country, they indicate each country as developing or as developed. So instead of all that, also I just created numericals. Let's say 1 for developing and 2 for developed. For example, if there were kind of an undeveloped country, I would say 3. Then I say undeveloped. Then I will just say okay, or I'll just add. So when I add, it comes here, but I don't need it because it was not in the table from the Excel sheet we downloaded. So here I will do a number of adjustments if I feel they are okay to be done, and then I will save. And go to my data view. So then here all what I'm saying, it's all about cleaning up the data so that it can be readable and understandable and in a summarized way to the consumer of the information. So here, assuming I have finished cleaning my Excel sheet, and it is very well displayed in SPSS with all its variables. Then the question says, they said import the life expectancy. That's it. They have imported after cleaning everything. Then users perform multiple linear regression analysis to model the relationship between life expectancy and the life expectancy and socioeconomic factors such as GDP, adult mortality, and immunizable rates. Yes, sorry, I was disconnected by my own PC. Here, the question is saying that use SPSS perform a multiple linear regression. In order to do this, I will just go to analysis, then I go to regression, linear. I choose adult. I choose I choose, they said, they said life expectancy. What is life expectancy? Yes, life expectancy. Let me first remove it. Remove. I had already done it. I'll just say life expectancy as my dependent. Then uh, I also choose GDP as my I also choose my factor. I also choose adult mortality rate. I also choose immunizable rates. Then here I have to consider immunizable diseases. Diphtheria as one of them. Measles, hepatitis B. Then I got statistics. Here we use Durbin-Watson. I will select this. I got plots. I use here I'd put it already, but let me remove. I will put this one Z spread as the x-axis, and then this one on the y-axis. Then I will check in the histogram and the normal probability plot. Then I'll continue. Then from here I'll just say okay. And here it will show me, it will generate for me, it will perform for me that multiple linear regression analysis or to model the relationship between life expectancy and the socio-economic factors such as GDP and the rest. So here you can see it has generated tables with variables entered with the immunizable rates, that's the diseases, GDP, mortality, adult mortality. So it has sorted and put everything very well. It makes a model summary. It makes it has modeled the relationship between among those factors affecting the life expectancy. Then down here, it gives statistics. Then here it comes and gives us those factors which are dependent on. It gives us those factors life expectancy is dependent on. So by giving us the figures, so here it shows that the frequency is high, life expectancy is high, which can be caused by a high GDP rate and low immunizable diseases, immunizable diseases such as polio and the likes. Then here it gives us the this is called the regression standardized residue. It gives us a number of graphs. Then it gives us the scatter plot, which can very well be explained in detail. But since I don't want the file to be big, I want to go into deeper. So that's all about the first part of the linear regression analysis. Then another part is it is saying simulate the effect of change in socioeconomic factors such as increase in GDP, decrease in mortality on life expectancy, and discuss the potential impact on public health policies. Then here, I also go into before I explain the effect of changes in economic factors, I will also do I go to simulation. So I will simulate first so that we can be able to read to understand the effects. So here I will choose I will open an existing simulation plan. I check in the open simulation builder, then I create my simulation data. Then here I will choose, they said life expectancy. They said the effect of change in socioeconomic factors such as GDP, decrease in mortality or life expectancy. So I will choose my life expectancy, my adult mortality, and my GDP. Yes, the GDP. Then from here, I'll go to simulation and I fit all. Let me see if it fits all. Let me see if it fits all. Has it? No. Yes, it has fitted all. Then here I'll run. So when I run, it will generate for me data which is very well summarized. Oh, sorry. I didn't, let me go back. Yes, I continue here. Then I simulate, no, I'll click in this one. Yes, okay, yeah, like this. Then life expectancy, I use my adult mortality rate, I use my GDP, then I go into simulation, I fit all. Oh, I've forgotten something here. Why? Why is it not accepting? Has it accepted? Fit all. Then I run. No. Let me see. Yes, it has. It has. It has made tables highlighting of the mortality, GDP, on life expectancy. With this one here, you see with the higher GDP, high GDP is always associated with lower adult mortality and higher life expectancy. But the relationship, according to the table here, the relationship with adult mortality is weaker compared to its impact on life expectancy. Yes. So, and the high adult mortality is strongly linked to reduced life expectancy. Definitely. Then by highlighting its critical role here, it highlights its critical role in determining the overall health of population. So that is all I can make a summary of how they said how it affects. Let me see the question of how the effect of changes in socio-economic increase in GDP. No, I mean as in of the actual life expectancy values and perform sensitive analysis to understand how changes in socioeconomic factors affect. So that's how it happens. Then what else?